I wonder what I should do today. Maybe I should order some slime. I wonder what website to go on. Ah, there's SCAMMER. I don't know what that spells, but anyway, I wonder what I should order. Oh, I didn't see that. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I had this in. Thank you. Oh, and the pencil. Thank you. And today's video, I'm going to be doing the slime scanner. So I want you to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, which is right next to the subscribe button, and comment down below. Have you ever got slime scanned before? Because I'm doing it in this video, so I think. Oh, I think I know what's coming up next. A dance break.
It's over now, Olivia.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I told you I don't need your thing. I'm not gonna. I think we should just get onto the clip. Yeah, we should do that. I wonder which one to get. There's this really large green fishbowl sign. £12. Oh my goodness, that's expensive, but I'll have to do. Oh, there's this banana split. This is 5-star rating. I'm definitely getting that. £15. Jesus. But at least it looks really good though, the picture. Next is, ooh, a baby blue fluffy slime. Oh, it's only £3. That's not expensive. Kind of. But, and order. It looks like we have an order on here. Large green fish bowl. Bin. Banana split, baby blue fluffy slime on their way. Gonna have to go with this one, out of the box, this, even though it's empty, looks like it's full of. Some like ramen. Oh yeah, I forgot this about the slime. No tub, gonna have to do. Let's pack them. How many people want these? Put it in the post and send. It looks like we have an order on here. Large green fish bowl. Bin. Banana split, baby blue fluffy slime on their way. Gonna have to go with this one, out of the box, this, even though it's empty, looks like it's full of. Some like ramen. Oh yeah, I forgot this about the slime. No tub, gonna have to do. Let's pack them. How many people want these? Put it in the post and send. My post! I'm so excited. Oh. Guys, I finally got the package, so I think I'm just going to open it. So let's go. Oh, it sounds very unstable, but... I'm guessing this is an extra. I don't know. Ugh. Feels horrible. Look. And all of it is falling out. Hope it's not extra. Let's see the other ones. Oh, really nice package though. DIY? I thought it was handmade. Anyway, if I get open the lid.
Do you want me to open?
Yeah. She just opened it straight away. This is tiny, and this is not even the right colour.
They were meant to be baby blue.
Yeah. This got to be an extra. It's not even, it doesn't even stick together. Feel it, Harriet.
Ew. Ew. Get that away from me.
Yeah, I need to see the next one. Why is this? Why is this here? This is. It's not even summer. It's winter. What is wrong?
This is the worst package ever.
It just is. You know, we're putting a bubble thing. Empty thing. Ooh, this looks nice though. It's well, it's frozen, but it's a lip balm. Ew. Somebody's already used
Oh
it.
my goodness. So
It's got red lipstick on. Ew. This is not being a good package at all. Oh, and this must be the banana.
ew, it has
The banana.
split.
The banana. The banana block. That's what it looks like. It's not even good. Look.
I think you need to throw that in the bin, Olivia.
Yeah.
And how much was this again?
£30 for all of this. I didn't even spend on the other things.
You got scammed, Olivia.
Scammed?
It's called like scamming and scammer.
Wait, let me read the package. SCAMMER.
That's their name. It spells out scammer, you idiot.
Oh no, what have I done?
Oh no, Olivia.
Just be careful, guys. Remember, if you go on a website that says scammer, be careful. And I mean it because this is.
She's an idiot.
I'm just gonna put this in the bin because I can't afford to. Pow. And it's gone. So I'm just gonna leave it there, guys. So yeah.
See you next
Time on the Get Ready Lit.
Oh!